In this video, I'm going to show you the first project that we're building for this course. It's going to be this website for a restaurant. You can see on the top we have the logo, we have the social networks. I'm going to show you how to create this kind of menus only working with WordPress, CSS, and a Font Awesome or a library called Font Awesome. And this website is going to be fully responsive. If I make this smaller, you can see we have the menu, and you can click here, and this will bring on the links for the menu. If you scroll, you will have a description of this place, and then we have a more larger description. You can click here on the button to read more about this information. Then we have our specialties. This restaurant wants to show their specialties, their menu, and now you can see that we have this information. We have the image, and if I hover, you can see that we have the name of the pizza. We have the ingredients, the price, and you can read more about this pizza. The ingredients, the price, and a bigger image and things like that. So now you can see this is the effect. If I reload here, this is printing different specialties every time that you visit the website. So that's something really cool. If I scroll a little bit more, you can see that we have fresh ingredients in all our pizzas. We have some other text, and you can read more, and we have another image. This website is going to be fully dynamic. So for example, if you want to change these fresh ingredients, you can click here on edit page. And from here, you can see we are in the home, and you can see that we have fresh ingredients in all our pizzas. So you can change the text, and you can add something like fresh ingredients in all our pizzas and great prices. So you can update this, reload the home page, and now you can see we have in great prices. The same goes for the text. You can see at the bottom we have the text, and we have also the image that we are printing right here. We also have the gallery. One of the most common questions is how I can use a jQuery plugin in WordPress. So we're going to be using a gallery plugin, and you can see the effect that it brings. It's something really cool. So I'm going to show you how to use your jQuery plugins into WordPress. If I scroll a little bit, you can see we have the map. So again, this is going to be fully responsive. If I make this smaller, you can see we have something like this. And we have the map right here. And if I make this bigger, it's working. So we're going to be using this map, but also this map is going to be fully dynamic. We're going to be using something called the option pages. If I click here, La Pizzeria options, you can change the latitude, the longitude, the zoom level, and the new API key that Google Maps requires. The same goes for the header information. You can see here on the top, we're printing the location and the phone number. So maybe you wanna change these values, maybe this number to 3000, save this, and reload the home page. Now you can see we have 3000 right here. I'm gonna show you how to add this functionality into WordPress. The number is right here, and I'm gonna show you something really cool. We have this make a reservation. So I'm gonna show you how this works. My name, I'm gonna add my name, Juan Pablo. And here you can click this triangle. It will bring this calendar, so you can click here. And I'm gonna select the time for this reservation. I'm gonna add an email, and I'm gonna add something simple like WordPress themes at mail.com, something like that. We're gonna add a phone number. Hello, this is my demo. And now you can click here on send. You can see that we have thanks for your reservation, and we have some text for our client. So this is going to be in the La Pizzeria options, reservations. You can see that the tier one is this one, and we have WordPress themes right here. And we have hello, this is my demo. So I'm gonna show you how to create this kind of forms, and they are gonna store the data in the WordPress database. This is going to be, we're gonna take some security into consideration. I'm gonna show you some of the WordPress functions for security. And at the bottom, we have the menu, we have the address, and we have the address reserve. So we're building 6 or 7 different templates. If I open the About Us, you can see we have About Us, we have a feature image at the bottom, we have the text. And here at the bottom, we have these boxes. I'm gonna show you how to create these boxes. Again, if you click here on Edit Page, this is going to be fully dynamic. You can change the field 1 and you have the image and the text. Click here on field 2 or field 3. This is something really cool. This website is fully dynamic. Next, you can click here on the menu. We have the menu page or the name, we have some description, and we have the menu for this restaurant. We have an image, we have the title of this specialty, we have the price and the description. So they are selling these pizzas, and at the bottom we have this other section where they are showing some other specialties that they are selling. And this will be fully dynamic. I'm gonna show you how to create something called the custom post types in WordPress. You can see we have the list. And for example, if I open this pasta and click here on edit, you can see that we have the title, we have the content, we have the price, and we have the feature image. And here we place the category for this. So next I'm gonna open the blog, and you can see that we have the blog, we have the image, we have the date when this was published, we have the title, the author for this entry, some text, and you can click here on read more. And you can see we have the feature image, we have the title of the entry of the blog, the date, again we have the author, the full description, and now you can see we have the comment form. For example, if I cut this and open this in incognito window and enter, you can see that the form is a little different. I'm going to show you how to style a comment form. And at the bottom we have the comments. I'm going to show you how to style the comments also, and how to print these comments in your theme. So we have the gallery, and we're going to be using the same gallery that I showed you earlier. And the contact us, you can see that we have this image as the background, and then we have the same contact form. If you fill this form, it's gonna populate this table that we have in our backend. So it's going to be we're gonna start from the basics, but at the end I'm gonna show you some advanced techniques in WordPress. So hopefully you are ready. This course contains 4 themes at this moment, more than 300 videos. So hopefully you find this interesting, and I see you in the course.